Imagine a creature that could never need to visit a dentist. Not because its teeth are too strong, but because it has an entire army of teeth. Not one, not 10, not even 100. 500 teeth. And here's the insane part. Every single one of those teeth was replaced every 14 days. Have you ever heard of the Cretaceous lawnmower? The prehistoric vacuum cleaner? Well, get ready, because today we're meeting the dinosaur that would make any dentist's nightmare look like a dream. Welcome back to Explorer World. I'm Dino, and this is Nigersaurus. And trust me, your mind is about to be blown.
This right here, this isn't just a dinosaur. This is Nigersaurus, the dinosaur that broke every rule in nature's textbook. Its mouth isn't just a mouth. It's more like a giant razor-sharp comb, or a cosmic vacuum cleaner, or the most advanced biological lawnmower ever engineered. And I'm not exaggerating. This creature had more than 500 teeth. Yes, as you heard it, 500. Stacked in rows, batteries of teeth behind teeth behind teeth. All arranged in perfect geometric rows like keys on a keyboard. Most dinosaurs? They had maybe 60 teeth. 80 if they were fancy. Nigersaurus said, "Why have 80 when you can have 500? And here's where it gets genuinely insane. A paleontologist named Paul Sereno and his team spent years excavating in the brutal Sahara Desert. Heat, dust storms, impossible conditions. They collected fragments, assembled puzzles, built theories. Then in 2007, they used advanced CT scanning technology, the same technology used in hospitals to scan human bodies. And when they digitally reconstructed the interior of Nigersaurus's skull, they found something that changed everything. The skull wasn't just thin, it was architecturally genius. Inside that paper-thin exterior was an intricate lattice of internal supports, a honeycomb pattern, like the inside of an airplane wing. Distributed strength, minimal material, maximum function. Nature had engineered in the Cretaceous what humans just recently invented in the 21st century. A creature from 110 million years ago understood structural engineering principles that took humanity until the modern era to discover. Subhanallah. The design, the precision, the engineering brilliance. It's absolutely extraordinary. Nigersaurus didn't live alone. It roamed in herds. Massive groups of these specialists moving together across ancient swamps and floodplains, eating constantly, stripping vegetation, maintaining the ecosystem. They were like biological engineers of their world, shaping landscapes, preventing overgrowth, creating pathways for other creatures. They were essential. Without Nigersaurus, the Cretaceous Sahara would have been completely different. But then, 95 million years after Nigersaurus last walked the Earth, a meteor came. The sky filled with dust. Sunlight vanished, plants died, the food chain collapsed, and Nigersaurus, despite its extraordinary adaptation, despite its incredible engineering, couldn't survive. It became history, a fossil, a mystery that puzzled scientists for decades, until technology finally revealed its secrets. Nigersaurus teaches us, evolution isn't about being biggest or strongest. It's about being perfectly adapted. Nigersaurus was weird, strange. But that weirdness was its power. It thrived because it was specialized, optimized. The most successful creatures aren't generalists. They're perfectly designed for one thing. Nigersaurus was the ultimate specialist, the ultimate lawnmower of the Cretaceous. So here's a question for you. If Nigersaurus lived in the modern world today, do you think we'd even need lawnmowers? Because honestly, this creature was literally designed to mow grass and process vegetation. I want to hear from you in the comments. What did you think of this bizarre dinosaur? Does it freak you out? Does it amaze you? And more importantly, what's the weirdest dinosaur you know about? Because if you thought Nigersaurus was wild, wait until you hear about some of the actual discoveries we're going to explore. So make sure you subscribe to Explore a World, hit that notification bell, and join us next time for another journey into Earth's most incredible prehistoric mysteries. I'm Dino, and remember, the natural world is far stranger than fiction. See you next time, explorers.